Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can make from an old broken camera. So let's start disassembling it. By the way, any camera will work for this do-it-yourself project, whether it's digital or film. You need to remove the board with the capacitor from the camera. These are the two important parts you'll need for the project. You need to desolder the bulb from the board, the one that produces the flash. Now you need to solder wires to the board, to the power button, to the place where the flash was, and to the contacts where the power is supplied, 3.7 volts. Next you'll need a small box for the project in which you need to drill several holes. Now insert the connectors button and LED into the holes you made. On the second part of the case, you need to glue the camera board, the battery, and also the TP4056 charging control board from it. To be continued. Now take the two parts of the case and connect all the components according to the diagram shown on the screen. Here's what I got. Now you can close the lid. As you can see, everything looks very neat. Next, you need to take two plugs and connect the wires to them. On the other side, you need to solder the probes to the wires, which I took from an old Soviet multimeter. Well, the homemade device is finished. Let's connect the probes and move on to testing it. We take two thin metal strips and press them with the negative probe. Then we press the button for 1 second and touch the strips with the second probe. And, as you can see, we've got a small spot welder that can be used to join thin metals. The connection is strong and the welder doesn't burn through the metal. You can also use this device to connect batteries, like the 18650 type. Here's the kind of welding you can make from any broken camera. The battery charge lasts a long time, plus you can always recharge it with a mobile phone charger. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Thanks for watching, goodbye.